you got A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are the names I read from here: A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F. A is to B is 1:3. No, Sumit. A is to B is 1:3. You can see if A is 1, B would be 3. I believe all of you agree. But when B is 2, C is 1. When C is 1, D is 2. When D is 3, E is 1. I hope you can understand D is 3, E is 1. When E is 1, F is 4. So what I'll do is first I will combine them. I'm talking about combining this thing. What do you get? I'll multiply this by 2. I'll multiply this by 3. 2 does not mean only this. You will multiply this whole ratio by. So I'll say it is 2 is to 6 is to 3 is what I'm going to get. I believe it is clear. So A is to B is to C. I know 3 2s are 6. So it is 2 and this will be 3. Is it fine till this point? Everyone present there? Is 1, B is 3. You also know B is to C is 2 is to 1. Is it clear? Because if you look at the next one, I erase it. Can you see it? When B comes out to be 2, C is coming out to be 1. It is 2 is to 1. Now, I want a common value. Look at B. It is 3 as well as 2. So can I multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 3? A common value will come there. If you multiply it by 2, don't forget to multiply this also by 2. So I'll say this is 2, this is 6. If you multiply it by this is 2 is to 6 is to 3. Fine. Now what is C is to D that you are going to get? C is to D is 1 is to 2. But 1 is written as what? 3. So what about 2? So 1 is written as 3 means you multiply this by 3. Do you agree with it? So 2 will become 6. Now what is D is to E? D is to E is 3 is to 1. That means 3 is written as 6. Can I say, what do you write 1? Can I say if 3 is doubled, my dear, 1 will be also double. Can I write it as 2? Is it fine once you get D is equal to 6, but you are saying D is to E is 3 is to 1. So if 3 is written as a 6, 1 must be written as a 2. Now what is E is to F? E is to F is 1 is to 4. 1 is written as a 2. What should you write F? Can I write 4 2s are 8? Is that fine? Yes, no, everyone clear? Okay. So A, B, C, fine everyone? No, I believe. Yes, thank you. So A, B, C upon D, E, F, what do you get? I know when A is 2, B is 6, C is 3, D is 6, E is 2, F is 8. I'll cancel 2 from there, cancel 6 from here. The answer is 3 by 8. So well done. Minus B is to B minus C is to C minus D is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Okay, Khushi Kumari. So C is equal to 2 and C minus D is equal to 3. I hope all of you agree. I can say C is equal to D plus 3 here. I can say from here B is equal to C plus 2. If you put the value, I'll say B is equal to D plus 3 plus 2 is D plus 5. I'll say this one is A is equal to B plus 1. Further, A is equal to B is what? D plus 5 plus 1. That comes out to be D plus 6. Now, what is A plus D upon C? Everything is coming in the terms of D. I'll say it is D plus 6 plus D. What about C? C is D plus 3. So I know it is 2D plus 6 upon D plus 3. If you don't mind, can I take 2 as a common value here? Very nice. Janvi, yes. So I can say it is 3 is to 5, but 5 is common there. Let's say 5 is to 6. So the ratio of A, B, C, D is 2 is to 3 is to 5 is to 6 there. Fine. What is 3A plus 2B plus 4C plus D upon 3D plus 4C? I'll say 3A is 3 into 2, 2B is 2 into 3, 4C is 4 into 5, and my dear, it is D. D is 6. Thrice of 6 plus 4 times of 5. I'll say this is 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6, 18, plus 20 is 38 is numerator. 18 plus 20 is also 38. Can I say the ratio comes out to be 1/1? So the answer is option number third one. B is 3 and C is 4. And you need to find out 2A minus 3B plus 5C. Okay, good, Khushi. Thrice of B means thrice of 3. 5 times of C is 5 times of 4. So that is 2A minus 3B plus 5C divided by 4 minus 9 plus 20 is nothing but 15. The denominator comes out to be 15. My answer is 15. Clear, everyone? Please ask if there is a question. Any one of you. Now I'm telling you a beautiful formula. If A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to A upon F, I can do also the addition in between the numerator. The same thing should be done with the denominator. The ratio remains same. Say the ratio is 2:3. Can I say 6:9 by multiplying it by 3? By multiplying it by 5, 10:50. If I add the numerator, I also need to add the denominator there. I'll say 16 plus 2 is 18. This is 12, which is 27. So you know 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. The same ratio is coming there. It is not only addition that you need to do, you can also do the subtraction. So I'll say 10 plus 6, but here it is minus. Here it is minus. So I'll say it is 15 plus 9 is 24, minus 3 is 21. Denominator is 21, numerator is 14. I hope you understand 7 2s are 7 3s are. The answer is also 2:3 coming there. So if you are doing some addition subtraction operation in between the numerator and you are repeating the same thing for the denominator, the ratio remains same. There will be no change in it. I believe it is clear to all of you. Please ask if there is a question. The second part, if A upon B is equal to C upon D. Now I'm talking about the componendo rule. Componendo says A plus B upon B is same as a C plus D upon D. And the second is known as a dividendo. Dividendo rule says it is not only the sum of the numerator and denominator, it is also the difference between them should be also same. So this is dividendo. Fine. I can combine both C and D rule here, componendo and dividendo rule. If A by B is equal to C by D, I'll say A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. This is your answer. Please look at this. Ask me if there is any question. Maybe second one. Okay. This is what is given in the question. I'm sure all of you are aware of it. Fine. So you need to find out income of X and Y. This is what you need to find out. Come on, try it. So the income is coming in the ratio of 1:3 and the expenses are in 19:40. Okay, Sumit has got expenses are in 19:40 and the saving of Y saving minus X saving is 18,860. The sum of their saving is this much. Fine. What is the difference between them? I'll say it is X. Say I'm multiplying this by A. So X income is 1A, Y's income is 3A. Say I'm multiplying this by B. X expenses are 19B, Y's expenses are 40B. What is the saving of Y? Saving of Y is 3A minus 40B. What is the saving of X? A minus 19B. These are the saving. Now, what is given is summation of them. One is this summation. 4A minus 59B is equal to 36020. This is one equation. Second is Y saving. Y saving is coming out to be what? 3A minus 40B minus X saving. If you separate it, you are going to get 2A. minus 21B is equal to 18,860. This is second equation we are getting. Now just solve them. 4A minus 59B is equal to 36,020. 2A minus 21B is equal to 18,860. Can I double it if you don't mind? Because then only I can solve this equation so that 4A will be common. So I'll say, okay, double it. It is 42B. And this is 0 to 37,720. I'll subtract this equation, lower equation from upper equation. I'll say minus 17B. Subtracting this, it is nothing but it is minus 1700. I'm sure all of you agree to this. B is coming out to be 100. Once B is coming out to be 100, put this value here. I'll say 4 is equal to 37,720 plus 4,200. So that comes out to be 37 plus 4 is 41,920 is the value. I'll cancel it by 4 also. I'll divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4, 0, 4 fours are 16, 4 eights are 30. This is the value of A that I'm going to get. So what is the value of A? 10480. What is the value of B? I think it was coming out to be 100 earlier. Yes, was it 100? Here is it. So now the question says, what are the income of X and Y? I know the income of X and Y are A and 3A. I believe it is clear. So X income is 10,480. And this is thrice of it, which is of course 31,440 here. So this comes out to be correct answer here. Please look at this. Ask me if there is a question.